told you earlier. So what is the first question? What conic does the given equation represent? Means there is an equation this is the given equation, and the question is asking that which conic does it represent. Means we need to tell that which is this conic. It is a circle, ellipse, parabola or hyperbola or straight line. What is this equation represent? So we'll start with the question now. Guys, in this question you will also learn why we have learned the general equation of the conic. So as earlier I have told you about a term called delta, its formula and some conditions related to it. Sometimes h square equals to ab, sometimes h square greater than ab, and the nature of conic. So in this we need to find the delta. First we will find the delta and then we will find h square and ab, and we will see what will be the conditions, then we will tell the nature of conic. So for that, the formula of delta, we need a, b, c and f, g, h. But in question this equation is given. How we will come to know about a, b, c and f, g, h? For this we will first compare it with the general equation of the second degree conic. Since general equation of second degree conic is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. On comparing given equation with general equation, I'll give it the equation number 1. Coefficient of x square is 13. Here a equals to 13. Comparing the coefficient of xy, 2h equals minus 18, so h equals minus 9. Y square's coefficient, b equals 37. Coefficient of x, 2g equals to 2, g equals to 1. Coefficient of y, 2f equals to 14, f equals to 7, and this is plus c equals to minus 2. Since on comparing with the general equation of the conic, we have find the values of a, b, c, f, g, h. Now we will find the delta using these values, and after seeing the delta we will find further value. And we know the formula of delta. We have written the formula of delta. Now we will put the values of a, b, c and f, g, h. What are the values? 13, b is 37 and c is minus 2. 2, f is 7, g is 1, h is minus 9, minus af square, a is 13, f square is 7 square, minus bg square, what is b? 37, g is 1 square, and minus ch square, c is minus 2 and h is minus 9 square. Now we will solve these. On solving, you can solve it. I am writing directly. We get the formula minus 1600, that is minus 1600, which means delta is not equals to 0. Now we will find h square. Therefore, h square is, value of h is minus 9 square equals to 81, and AB is 13 multiply 37, which is 481. Since delta not equals to 0 and h square less than AB, and what does this equation represent? I have told you yesterday, this equation represent an, here find delta which is not equals to 0. Now we'll find h square and AB. From here delta not equals to 0 and h square is less than AB. I have told you earlier in the video that in such condition the conic is the ellipse. Therefore, given equation represents an ellipse. I'll repeat the question. Given, what does the question conic represent? I have compared it with the general equation. Why? Because we need to find delta for it, and for delta we need the values of A, B, C, F, G, H. On comparing, I have put the values of A, B, C, F, G, H. Then I have put the values of A, B, C, F, G, H in the formula of delta. Delta not equals to 0. Then I have find the h square and AB, h square less than AB, and this condition represents an ellipse.